Good morning and welcome to the grind with Tom Geraci. Right now I'm about to leave the Subaru behind and walk upstream so that I can, walk downstream so I can walk upstream and see if I can't get on some trout. As I walk, I thought I'd just give a quick update. It's been a while since my last long form video. In that time, I've actually caught quite a few fish. They came in all shapes and sizes. I caught babies, I caught lots in the 12 to 14 inch range, and I caught one right around 18 inches. As usual, I visited stunning spots and got to watch the sun dance on early morning waters. Sadly, my time hasn't been all pleasant. While on one of my trips, I got a little lost. I took a tributary stream and found myself in some dense woods. Luckily, just many bruises later, a pair of rip waders and some mosquito bites were the only real proof of my rather profound 4+ hour misadventure. I'll close my recap with this thought. Be careful when wading. Build in safety redundancy and always let someone know your stream plan before you go. With safety in mind and a lot of walk ahead, I thought I'd do just a little bit of a gear breakdown. Some of the things that are really working well for me. So the first thing is this. Oh, glorious little addition to my kit. I also have this backpack, and in that backpack I have food, I have water, I have a portable phone charger and cord. I also have a life straw in case I drank all my water. All those things are just making me feel more comfortable on the water should I ever find myself lost again. Okay, that hard-earned advice out of the way. I hope you're ready, because it's time to grind. Well, I am walking in the wrong direction. Had a little mishap this morning. Can't fish like that. The rest is in my car. Oh, that makes me so mad. And we're back in business. All right, got the first of the day. We're gonna go ahead and get it back. See ya. Okay, quick check-in. Literally right there. I had a 20, maybe a 21. Smack it. Smacked my lure. And it just didn't get the good hook set. Oh my gosh. Let's keep going and see if we can find the big one. Although I cannot stop thinking about that missed 20. This little guy, in its very pretty colors, is making up for it a little bit. And let's go ahead and get this one back. See you later. Another little one on the board. We'll get this one back. See you later. Well, the fish are biting. Sadly, no redemption just yet. See ya. Sadly, the GoPro was not on for this one, but a nice little fish. We'll get it back. Whoop, see ya. Well, what can I say? I'm perseverating. That fish was so big. It wanted to be caught so much, and I failed it. Oh, it's gross. But I'm still gonna catch more fish. So yeah, I just had to tell you. Thanks for stepping up. See ya. Thanks for stepping up. See you later. Seems like this, the size that I'm catching today. We're gonna get this one back. See ya, partner. Okay, so now I'm at spot number 2 on the same creek, ready to get after it and see if I can't, again, get some redemption. It's a far cry from a 20. But certainly the best of the day. Let's get it. Whoop! See you later. All right. Fish. So it's been a really decent day. Still pining over that huge trout that I missed. But having some fun on Father's Day. Gonna do a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna head on home, see the kids, see the wife. I blew it. Just got this little guy. Gonna put it back. See you later, partner. And that is gonna do it for me today. It's been a beautiful morning, and now just turned afternoon. Caught a lot of little fish. Had that one awesome one I keep talking about. But overall, just a perfect start to my Father's Day, and now I get to have the best part, some time with some kids. Until next time, keep grinding, have a great day, and have a great week. Thanks for watching.